How to change or reset Cash App card PIN. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to reset your Cash App's card PIN. First of all, head over to your Cash App and make sure that you are logged in. Now you are going to have to head over to your money section and then tap on your profile icon at the top right. Once you land on your profile page, under your account settings, you have different options. Just head over to security and privacy. And after you've done that, here under security and privacy, you have an option to change your cash PIN. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then first of all, you're going to have to set up your PIN and enter your current PIN. Then enter your new PIN, and finally, you can confirm your new PIN. So go ahead and enter your current PIN here. And after you've done that, it will ask you to enter your new PIN. Then finally, just go ahead and confirm your new PIN and you should be good to go. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.